Hey there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today's word is one that sounds sophisticated and deep. Vicissitude. It might look a little tricky, but don't worry, I've got you covered. The correct pronunciation is Vicissitude or Vicissitude, depending on the accent. Let's break it down step by step. V, like the beginning of vicious. Cis rhymes with miss. A short, soft sound, like in bit. Tude rhymes with mood, or tude, like attitude in British English. Now say it with me. Vicissitude. One more time. Vicissitude. Great job. So what does vicissitude mean? Vicissitude refers to the changes, ups and downs in life, especially unexpected changes. Can mean the natural shifts that happen over time, like the seasons changing, or the challenges and successes we all experience. Pulls in sentences are: the vicissitudes of life can be unpredictable. One moment you're winning, the next you're learning a tough lesson. The vicissitudes of history have shaped entire civilizations over time. Fun fact: the word vicissitude comes from the Latin vicissitudo, meaning change or alternation. So when you use this word, you're tapping into centuries of linguistic history. Now the spelling tip, it's spelled Vicissitude. Just remember, it has two S's in the middle and ends with tude, like attitude. Now you can confidently use vicissitude in conversations. Thanks for watching Say It Right. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who loves learning new words. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.